Now we're going to look at the kazamatsu vault, and I think that kazamatsu is quite well suited to junior gymnasts. There's a lot of discussion about the difference between a sukahara with a twist and a kazamatsu, and I'll attempt to explain my idea about it. A sukahara is normally, with a twist, is normally a push off the top of the horse and in the second flight a twisting action. The kazamatsu differs slightly because while the gymnast is still in contact with the horse, they'll begin to initiate the twist straight away and oftentimes finish facing forwards, ready to accelerate the twist for the second part of the vault. Essentially, gymnasts might begin with a sukahara and a twist, but if they start to do more twist, for example double twist, they have to start initiating the twist earlier and earlier in order to get the amount of twist in, and the sukahara eventually becomes a kazamatsu. One suggestion is to think about starting with a kazamatsu vault. It is actually easier because it involves slightly less twist, and I'd like to show you some ideas and some methods for preparing this kazamatsu vault for boys and girls. First progression for the kazamatsu can be a cartwheel with a quarter turn facing out. So cartwheel and finish facing forwards. Same again, Ahmad. And if Luke can just do the first half to stop in handstand with the hands facing in the same direction. So this cartwheel slightly differs from a conventional cartwheel in the hand position. Here the hands are both facing in a similar direction to assist with the block and to prepare for the second part of the twist. Same thing, Ahmad, cartwheel with your hands in the same direction and a quarter turn out. Then I'd like the gymnast to try to do the same element but with a hurdle step and a little bit more speed. So a cartwheel in the first part and a handspring in the second part. And it's very important to see the difference between the two, that the first part is a quarter turn and the second is a handspring. And once more. Cartwheel in, handspring out. And one more. And the hands should be in a line so that we can definitely see a cartwheel rather than a handspring with the hands incorrectly placed. So a quarter turn on, handspring off. So as an orientation exercise now, the guys will perform a cartwheel in, a handspring out, and then a further half turn into a backward roll. Ahmad. The task of the coach is to try to get all of that performed in the air, and that essentially is the kazamatsu vault.